Take a ride on the gondolas with us through the Venetian Resort and Casino alongside the Grand Canal shops. This is part 2 of our stay here at the Venetian in Las Vegas, so if you missed our tour of the suites, the pools, and seen the beautiful painted ceilings and shops at the Grand Canal, then go back and watch that next. If you're new to our channel, you may not know, but we are all about adventures big and small, and my daughter and I have been on a cross-country road trip from Ohio to California and back, and we're taking you for so many adventures along the way and hope to inspire you to live out your own starting now.
Doesn't go in.
It's not very deep.
Video people. Already, my friends.
Our gondolier did an absolutely amazing job of giving us a tour through the canal in the Venetian. This was such an amazing experience to ride the gondolas through the inside of a hotel. Who gets to do that? Only in Las Vegas are you going to see something like that. This is why staying at this hotel was so amazing. Going through the Grand Canal shops, the mini pools that they have, but this had to be the highlight. Riding the gondola and just the full experience of being serenaded at several points and just the tour that you go on. It was pretty awesome. I highly recommend taking the gondola ride in the Venetian. It's worth it.
We're not allowed to sing too because of COVID, but I usually am singing once or twice a week on our outdoor ride. I'm kind of where the musicians are, so I sing two boats on our outdoor ride. So I've been fortunate enough to be doing that since I just graduated this last year. So I've been fortunate enough to be doing this even during the pandemic.
Yeah, we love our seats. They're so amazing.
They are.
I'm so glad. It's one of the nicer casinos in Vegas. So I'm glad you guys chose to stay.
Yeah, we like it.
I guess I will have to take you guys back to the
Alright.
Wouldn't that be cool if we could deliver you? Wow. Where'd you go? So my friends, we're just here for one day then?
We are. Yeah, we've got a wedding to get to on Sunday.
Wedding?
Yeah, they have a cousin and our niece is getting married.
That's in Huntington Beach?
Yeah, on the beach. at the, what harbor?
Huntington
Harbor?
Day Club.
That's the Bay Club. Yeah.
Well, now that we are introduced, I can be a +1, right?
This is so cool. I'm so glad we got to do this. Yeah. This is fun.
I wonder if we should check out.
So pretty.
Thank you.
We're going to be tying off the boat.
All right.
For everyone to exit.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Hope that you
Bye.
have a great rest of your trip.
Thank you. That was fun.
Yeah.
Where are we going? I don't know.
To our rooms. To sleep.
Tired.
Oh, which way are we going?
We're not used to the time change. It is like, let's see, 11:30, 12:30. It's like 1:30 our time. Woo! It's 1:30 in Ohio.
I've kind of gotten. Oops, sorry.
It is tomorrow.
It is tomorrow, yeah.
I've kind of gotten used to the time changes.
Have ya? Not I. Of course, not sleeping doesn't help either, so there's that. We're ready to go head up to our room, get cozy, go to sleep,
Yeah.
and no school.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. I decided to let Jayla take the day off tomorrow because
And the next day,
staying up late and then getting up for her first class, which is
6 a.m.
9 a.m. normally in Eastern time, but it would be 6 a.m. here. So she's gonna have to do that eventually, but yeah,
I'm
we're
also
gonna,
off on Friday.
yeah, we let her have Friday, Monday, and Tuesday off. We requested those off a while ago, but probably should have requested Thursday too. Didn't know how hard this was gonna be, switching times and unloading, loading, driving. It's just tiring. It's fun though.
He thinks those are real puppies too.
What were they though? Just stuffed animals? It's just to draw people in.
Did you think they were real too?
Look at them breathe.
Huh?
Look at them breathe.
Yeah, they have.
If you open the cage, yeah.
They're not.
That's weird. That one's not even working.
It ran out of batteries.
Yeah. That's funny.
It was real at
I
first.
wasn't sure. I mean, the brown one
I
really
totally
looked
thought it was real at first when I walked by.
This place looks really cool.
I thought it could be. I had to check.
I was like,
Okay,
why
it's a
did they
toy.
have dogs in there?
Yeah.
Dogs in a candy store. Look at those. All things I can't have. Not fair.
Nighty night.
Good night.
You want us to make sure you get your room?
No, that's fine. Thank you. Oh, I thought I was. We got a trail of menus. I don't know where we're gonna eat tomorrow. We have options. Are you tired?
Yes.
I'm tired. It is way past our bedtime. I'm ready to crash in one of the nice beds. Ow, it shocked me. You keep getting shocked everywhere. Alright. Home sweet home. For the night. I wish we were staying here longer. I say that every place we go. We've been rushing around, but it's just
I really wish we could
exhausting.
stay in Vail longer.
Yes, Vail was fun. I liked Vail. This is nice too. I like the hotel. I liked riding in the gondola. We didn't have the best experience when we went to go on the strip. We didn't even end up walking the strip. Long story. Maybe on another vlog. But tonight, I think we're gonna hit the sack. Yeah. We'll catch up with you again in the morning. Till then, good night.
So everybody wave to the security guard.
Oh, good grief.
Gotta give him some entertainment. I'm sure he's waving back. If his picture comes up there.
Thanks so much for watching today's video. Before you leave, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And you're going to want to open up that description because inside the description you'll find links to our Instagram accounts, other YouTube channels, and you don't want to miss our free trial for Epidemic Sound if you like today's music. And there's so much more. Also, if you click the logo down below, you can see what other videos we have and what's going to premiere next. And you can hit that reminder so that way you remember to chat with us live. New videos come out each week, but to watch more now, click one of the videos down below.